Welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for Python. Today I'm going to show the simple project that is called how to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit to Celsius. So once developed the project, you will get the output like this. So before generate, you have now the things you have to do is first of all you have to install the Python IDE or IDL anything Pycharm or Jupyter anything. I'm going to use Pycharm only. Step number one, we have to import the model. Then we have to go give the design the mainframe. Then you have to write the application, the function, whatever you want to do. At last, we can get the output here. So the simple project we are going to implement very easily. For September, first of all, we are going to import the package. So that is called from tk space import as symbol. Then root is equal to tk I'm giving. Then I'm giving the title class converting Celsius to Fahrenheit, and width I'm setting as a 700 and height I'm setting as a 200. Then screen width I'm setting as a win info attributes like win info screen set, and I'm going to write the formula for conversion. As we know, the simple program we are going to do with the help of tk enter. So all of you know tk enter is one of the familiar graphical user interface where we can do lot of operations and so on and so on. So here we are write the formula. So x equal to screen width by 2 minus width by 2. Then y is equal to screen height by 2 minus height by 2. Then I'm continuing root dot geometry of the percentage. Then I'm writing root dot recessor for 0 comma 0. Then background color I'm giving as a white, and I'm continuing the program. Then I'm going to write the important thing that is called function, that is called Celsius to Fahrenheit function. So I'm writing the function like this. Then Fahrenheit dot set, because whenever we are like users give the input, it convert and put the result. If you give Celsius, it will convert to Fahrenheit, and whenever you give Fahrenheit, it will convert to the Celsius automatically. So we are writing the formula where I'm writing if Celsius at get empty, then we are giving Fahrenheit dot set of float Celsius dot get off, then uh, multiplies 9 by 5 plus 32 at last we give the formula. Then similarly we are writing the conversion for Fahrenheit to Celsius. So I'm writing another function where I'm writing the same thing, given the condition that is called float Fahrenheit that get at last give minus 32, at last multiply by 5 by 9. So we are writing the simple thing and we are designing with the help of tk enter. So Celsius I'm writing the string variable, and Celsius one also string variable. Fahrenheit also I'm writing the string variable. Then only user can give the input successfully. Then I'm writing the designing the top frame, that is a root of which is equal to 700, and bd is equal to 1, relief is equal to solid, and top dot back of side is equal to top I'm giving. So on bottom title I'm giving as a frame of root comma width is called 700 and so on. I'm going to again set the measurements after showing the screenshot, sorry, screen. So I'm giving the bottom form, that is frame root comma width is equal to 700 and white, and so on and so on. I'm giving the continue the bottom left to right, left side and right side as what are the necessary for generate the TK into the screen, and continuing and then giving the label. Now I have to set the label. So I'm giving the label as the text called converting Celsius to Fahrenheit. So when you want, you can change the size and color and whatever one you can do it here. Then I'm writing another label 3 called parametric bottom left text equal to Celsius to Fahrenheit, and font size I'm giving as a 12, and type is called Arial, and so on and so on I'm giving, and continue the with row column span. Also have idea about this one, and setting the label 4 5 6 and label Celsius and setting the sizes here. So bottom left text. So once you have idea about tick and there, you can easily understand. And again setting all the things like label bottom left text equal to Fahrenheit and font size is 12, and again giving the Fahrenheit dot grid where we can see the view after you execute the program. So and so on giving the things, and I'm going for Celsius. So now this is the label and window design for for Celsius Fahrenheit. Now I'll go to another this is same like this similarly go to design for Celsius one. So here the user can enter the Celsius and get the Celsius. So I'm writing the program Celsius one is called entry of bottom left comma text variable called Celsius comma with 12, and Celsius and another Celsius I'm writing as a state disable or whatever there, and cutting the Fahrenheit where I give you the information. So all the updates I'm giving here, and go for the bottom. So again setting the bottom size and everything right or left, whatever one you can do for convenience. At last we are going to conclude with the if name main and stop the root dot main loop, stop the GA window. So if we complete this program, if we complete the program, We can successfully execute. Once execute that, we get the screen like that. So let's showing the output here. So just I'm giving the Celsius at 90. Now when I give convert option, it will convert to the 194 like that. So here when I give the Fahrenheit of just 200, when I give convert to Celsius, it converted print as a 93.33 like that. So like that, you can implement the simple project using the Python. I hope that you understand the program project. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. And thank you for watching the video. Thank you.